Concentrate more. The title of Unit 5, Windows and Mirrors, Providing Perspectives. Windows and Mirrors, Providing Perspectives. Yesterday I had started chapter 1, Algebraic Expression. I explained about what is algebra, why we are learning algebra concept, what is constant, what is variable, what is expression. Now today I am going to explain about terms, factors, coefficient and factor tree. Left side keep heading term. Keep heading terms. Terms. Concentrate more students. What is the meaning of terms? Term is a number or variable. Term is a number or variable or product of numbers and variables. Can we say 2 is term? Yes, 2 is term. X is term. X is term. 2xy is term. Yes, 2xy is term. Terms are numbers or variables or product means multiplication, product of numbers and variables. Now, how to separate these terms? Terms are separated by plus and minus sign. Suppose I am writing here 2x minus 4. Now you are observing here 2x is one term, 4 is second term. This 2x and 4 we are separating by using this symbol, minus symbol. Now how many terms are there? There are 2 terms. If I am writing here x square plus 3x minus 4, sorry, plus 3x plus 8. Now tell me students, in this how many terms are there? X square is one term, 3x is second term, 8 is third term. Understood? The terms are separated by plus and minus symbol. We cannot separate terms by using multiplication and division. Suppose I am writing 2 into 4x. Now you are saying, sir, 2 terms is appearing. No, I told to you terms are separated by only plus and minus, not multiplication and division. When we will simplify, it will become 8x. We cannot separate. Now I am going to give concept. Note down. Terms are numbers. Note down. Terms are numbers. Terms are numbers, comma variables, or the product of number and variable. The product of number and variable. Example. Terms are numbers. 5 is term? Yes. X is term? Yes. 2xy is a term? Yes. X minus y, how many terms are there? 2 terms. X plus 3, how many terms are there? 2 terms. This is not fixed example. We can take any example. Now keep first star point. Terms are separated by plus and minus sign. Very important point. Terms are separated by plus and minus sign. Terms are separated by plus and minus sign. Next concept. Yesterday I have explained one concept to you, literal. What is literal? Second name of variable is called literal. Don't confuse students. Variable is also called as literal. If they are asking what is literal, then you can say answer. Literal is nothing but variable. Variable means what? Symbols, alphabets. Constant means what? Numbers. Understood? In algebra, we can use capital letter or small letter. Small letter. Don't write capital letter in algebra. Yes. Now keep heading. Factor. Terms completed. Now keep heading. Factor. Factor. Factor also is very easy. Concentrate here, everyone. First listen. What is the meaning of factor? Listen carefully. If I am writing here 2x, I want to find out factor of 2x. Very simple. I can write 2 comma x. This is factor. Simple. We can separate, that is called factor. If I'm writing here 5 x square y, what is factor? 5 comma x, how many are there? 2x is there, x comma y. Simple. Factor. If I am giving 6x, how we can write 6 comma x, or we can write 2 comma 3 comma x. Are you getting my point, student? How to calculate factor? We can separate the numbers. Number are there. If we are able to factor, we can factor. Otherwise, directly we can write 6 comma x also right, but this is the accurate answer, 2 comma 3 comma x. Now write down this concept. Factor. A factor is one part of the product. A factor is one part of the product. Factor is one part of a product. Example. First example I'm asking. First example I have written 8x. Tell me. Otherwise we'll write 5x. Okay, 5x. Now I want to find out factor of 5x. Right here. Factor of 5x equals 5 comma x. Second example. 7xy. Factor of 7xy equals 7 comma x comma y. I hope students you are getting my point. Third example, 9 x square y. Factor of 9 x square y equals, I can write 9 comma x comma y, or 3 comma 3 comma x comma y. Next, fourth example, fourth example, factor of minus 1 by 2 xy. See, what is the problem? No problem. Minus 1 by will write separate, comma x comma y. I hope there is no doubt how to find factor. Factor is very easy, student. Note down fast. Next concept keep heading, coefficient. 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 A coefficient is a number a coefficient is a number a coefficient is a number multiplied by a variable, multiplied by a variable. Coefficient is a number multiplied by a variable. I request everyone stop writing, concentrate here. Stop writing, everyone. Stop writing, everyone. Suppose first example I am writing 4x. Concentrate, everyone, here. If I am asking find the coefficient of x. Listen carefully. I want to find out coefficient of x. It means except that whatever we are asking, remaining is the coefficient. 4 is the coefficient. Second example, if I am writing here 2xy, I am asking Find the coefficient of y. Except y, remaining is the coefficient. Except y, remaining is the coefficient. Y I am hiding. What is remaining? 2x. Third example, Harsha, concentrate here. Where you are? Where is your brain? Third example, 4x cube y. Tell me what is coefficient of y? Y I want to hide 4x cube. 4x cube is the coefficient. Coefficient of y equals 4x cube. Means which variable we are asking that will hide, remaining will be coefficient. Note down example. Example 4. Write numerical coefficient and literal coefficient. Write numerical coefficient. Numerical means number. Numerical coefficient and literal means variable, and literal coefficients. Write numerical coefficient and literal coefficient of each of the following. Of each of the following. First question I'm writing. Everyone concentrate. Concentrate everyone here. I have written first example 2xy square. He has asked question, write numerical coefficient and literal coefficient. Numerical means number. 2 is the numerical coefficient. Xy square is the literal coefficient. We'll write here. Numerical coefficient equals, simply we can numerical is equals to literal equals xy square. B question, x square y cube. In this numerical is there? Number is there? There is no number. We will assume 1. Numerical equals 1. numerical equals 1. If nothing is there, we'll assume 1. And literal equals x square y cube. C question, minus 1 by 2 a square b c square. Tell me what is numerical here? Minus 1 by 2 is the numerical. Numerical equals minus 1 by 2. What is literal here? A square bc square. Literal equals a square b c square. Make it fast. D question, minus ab. Tell me what is numerical? Just now I told to you, if nothing number is there, we will assume 1. But before that, what is the minus? Minus 1 is the numerical. What is literal? AB. Literal equals AB. Make it fast, everyone. Just now I have completed. Again, I am recapping this all concept again, whatever I have taught yesterday and today. After that, I will go to factor tree concept, how to draw factor tree of algebra, not LCM, HCF, factor tree. Yes, yesterday I explained how to identify constant and variables. Suppose I am writing here 2xy. Now, number is the constant and variable is the alphabets is the variables. This was the studies concept. Means wherever number you will get, that is called constant, and wherever you are getting alphabet, that is called variable. This was the studies concept, and today I explain terms, factors, coefficient, numericals, and literals. Terms means, like suppose I am writing here x plus y plus z. Anyone can ask, tell me in this how many terms are there? There are 3 terms. This is one term, second term, third term. I told to you terms are separated by plus and minus sign. Only with the help of positive and negative we can separate the terms. With the help of multiplication and division we cannot separate the terms. I have given examples also. Suppose I am writing here 2x into 4. If I want to simplify, it will become 8x. That's why with the help of multiplication and division we cannot separate the terms. Only we can separate the terms by using addition and subtraction. Suppose second example, I am writing x square plus 2x minus 4. Now tell me how many terms are there in this? 1, 2, 3 terms. This is called terms. Next, after that, I have explained to you factor. How to find out factor? How to find out factor? I have given concept. Factor is nothing but one part of the product. Suppose I am writing here 4xy. I want to find out factor. It means I can write 4 comma x comma y, or we can write 2 comma 2 comma x comma y. If 10 x square y is there, I can write 10 comma x comma x comma y. I have to separate, that's it. Or I can find out factor of 10 also. Or we can write 2 comma 5, 2 5s are 10, comma x comma y. Yes, we can write 10 also, or factor of 10. LCM. 2 5s are 10. 5 ones are 5. We are getting here 2 and 5. Yeah, wait, beta. Now we are going to learn factor tree of algebra. Factor tree. Factor tree. Factor tree is also very easy. Whatever concept we have learned just now, that only we have to show. That is called factor tree. Listen, suppose I'm writing first example. Don't write, student. Listen carefully. First example. I'm writing one example. 9x square minus 5x plus 4. Now you are observing, students, 9x square minus 5x plus 4. This is called expression. This is called expression. I have given definition of expression. Expression is a single term or multiple terms connected by the symbol positive or negative. Here three terms are there. We are connecting with the help of plus and minus. This is called expression. Now expression completed. Now I have to find out terms. How many terms are there? Three terms. 9x square is one term, minus 5x is second term, and 4 is third term. This is called terms. Okay. Next, last one is factors. I want to find out factors of 9x square. I can write here 9 comma x comma x. I want to find out factors of minus 5x minus 5 comma x. I want to find out factor of 4. I can write 4 or 2 comma 2. Here I can write or 3 comma 3 comma x comma x. This is called factors. This is only factor tree. Make it fast, everyone.